Welcome to 506 Winding Brook Lane, Unit 104, here in River Strand Golf and Country Club. This is a gorgeous unit, and we are about to come upon the best part, and it is the view. You will see that it is absolutely stunning. We're going to go in the side door entry, and this unit is decorated so beautifully. It is like a coastal chic, and it is just breathtaking. And this unit is being sold furnished. So take a look at everything that you get here. This is a great room floor plan. You've got your dining area. You've got your guest bedrooms down the hallway there. And we've got the kitchen over here. So this is another eating area that they've got these little benches. So cute. And fantastic kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, everything you need. Let's go outside and take a look at that view that I was talking about. We've got a fantastic long water view, and you can actually see two different ponds, one in the distance and one here. So simply stunning. They do have these sunshades. So in the afternoon, when the sun is coming down, if you need to put those down, you can. Okay. The lanai is so spacious. I know people love this because they can have enough space out here for dining as well as visiting and sitting out here and enjoying these beautiful views. So as we head back inside, we are going to run in here into the primary bedroom. They just upgraded and updated this carpet and padding, so it is really pretty. It's a great neutral color. They also have these wonderful privacy blinds that close, so these are not cheap. So when you don't want the sun coming in and you want some privacy, all you have to do is slide those shut. So again, everything you see, for the most part, except for personal items, which are in the closet and in the drawers, do not convey, but the linens and the furniture do. So heading here, we have a his and hers walk-in closet. They're both the same size, but you can see that they are nice and big. And this is the master bathroom. So we have a garden tub, shower, and dual sinks, water closet, and a linen closet as well. As we head back out this way, another view of the great room, a great open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. I just love it. It's so bright and cheery. I mean, if this does not make you think of Florida, I don't know what will. As we're heading back here into the guest area, this is a great pocket door option. So if you have guests and you just want to be able to close that off, or maybe you work from home, and we have 2 bedrooms back here. So these are lovely size. These are queen size beds. But if you need room for a home office or a craft room or a man cave, you can use these for that. They actually have a desk in here. So perfectly sized. And we also have the powder room / guest bathroom here as well. And then as we head down here, we've got a linen closet, and this is the laundry room. So you've got your space there, and we've got the 2-car garage, which is attached. So, hey, everything that you can need and want is here. Call me if you have any questions, or have your realtor call and set up a showing. Again, 506 Winding Brook Lane, and this is a golf deeded property. So that means that your golf green fees are included in your HOA fees. So that and your cable and your internet, your exterior maintenance, it is just awesome here in River Strand, and all the amenities. The golf course has just been recently renovated by Andrew Green, and it is in great shape. So come on down and check it out, because I don't think this one is going to last for long.